Callie, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't filmed in forever, so I figured I would take you guys along with me these next couple of days and record myself doing productive stuff. I have a lot of studying to do. I have some assignments I need to get done. And yeah, I figured I would take you guys along with me to do that, go to the gym, get some cleaning done. Productive stuff. I'm on my way to get Starbucks right now. I've had a headache since last night. I took a nap and I woke up and I had a headache, and I figured it would go away because I took some Tylenol when I went to bed last night, and it didn't. So I'm hoping that coffee will help. And sorry if my hair looks like a little bit of a mess right now. I've been trying out, I recently got claw clips, but like the really thick ones, because I have really thick hair, and in the past I've always tried to use them and it just never worked. They would always fall out, but I got like the thicker, like they make big ones now, and I've been trying it out, and I think I've got it down now, but it took me a while to learn like how to do it. Yeah, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. Just got back, and lately I've been ordering a venti shaken espresso with the sweet cream foam on top, just because it's pretty strong, so it makes it a bit sweeter. And look how pretty they made it today. It's like ombre. I don't know, I think it's super pretty. But yeah, so I just got back. I'm gonna drink this and work on a diet analysis assignment I have due today, which is for nutrition. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically like you have to analyze the diet of like a certain athlete and look at all of their macros, their nutrients, and compare it to like the dietary recommended allowance, or the DRI. But yeah, so it's just kind of a long, like tedious assignment. So I have that due tonight, and then I'll probably work on some other stuff as well. And then I also wanted to just catch you guys up on my life lately, because I feel like I haven't filmed in so long. So yeah, I just registered for my classes for the summer and also for fall. And in case you didn't know, I'm currently double majoring in nursing and psychology, just because I did dual enrollment and I got so many of my nursing prerequisites out of the way already. So I have a bunch of extra time to kill. And within that time, I'm just taking psychology courses, so I'm double majoring until I start at the nursing school in a little bit over a year. So yeah, this summer I registered for 2 psychology classes, which are motivation and abnormal psychology, which should be interesting, hopefully. And I have the same teacher for both of those classes, so I'm crossing my fingers that I like him. And then in the fall, I need to take a language class. I'm not sure which language yet. And then I'm taking health psychology, tests and measurements, and nutrition and disease. So yeah, that's my fall semester schedule for right now. And then in the spring, I start my first nursing class. It's a nursing class that all of the nursing students have to take before they start at the nursing school. So I'm excited to take that. I'm almost done with the semester. I was expecting this semester to be a little bit easier than it turned out to be. It's been a little bit rocky just because the current class I'm in for nutrition, it hasn't been going very well. It's one of those classes where there's not really any lectures, and it's all on the tests. Like the tests are weighted at basically all of your grade. I'm currently at an 88 in that class, but I've been working super hard, like trying to bring it up. And I was at an A, and then it dropped again because I got a B on our last test, our last exam. So yeah, it's just been a little bit of a struggle, but my other classes are all good. I have A's in those. So yeah, I'm gonna work on my diet analysis now, and let's have a productive day. the next day, but I did want to update you on last night. So I finished my diet analysis. It took me about 2 to 3 hours to complete, but I finally got it done. And then I spent the rest of the night planning because it was a Monday and cleaning, as you saw in the last few clips. And now I'm about to head to Panera to get some studying done. I just feel so much more productive, like when I study anywhere except my house, like at the library or something, just because it's a change of scenery and it's nice to get out of the house. And then after that, I have plans to go to the gym with my friend, so I'm going to try to get some footage for you guys. I always get super nervous to record in the gym, but I'm going to try my best for you guys. And yeah, that's about everything I've planned for today, so stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a productive day. Alright guys, so I just left Panera and I'm at the gym now. I just got here and I'm waiting for my friend. I was at Panera for about like 3 hours and I got a good amount of work done. I just got like a croissant and I picked up an espresso from Starbucks, but I'm pretty hungry now, so I picked up a little snack from Starbucks. I'm just gonna eat this spinach feta wrap, and I've had it before and it's pretty good and it's high in protein. Hey, how are you? Say hi to the vlog. Hi. I just got home about like an hour or so ago and I had some dinner. I had some chicken salad and raspberries and these giant chocolate covered strawberries, and they were so good. And yeah, I'm just probably gonna read a little bit, take a shower, and head to bed now. I had a pretty busy day. I went to Panera and I got some studying done. I was there for like 3 hours and I got a bunch of stuff done, which is good. And then I had a super good day at the gym with my friend. I recorded a good amount of footage for you guys, which I was happy about. So yeah, it was a super productive day. I hope you enjoyed watching these last couple of productive days. And if you did enjoy watching this video, please make sure to give it a like and to subscribe for more videos from me in the future. I'm really gonna try to start recording more often and more interesting stuff for you guys. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one.